Roper Pump Company was originally named Traherne Company Pump Works after the founder W.D. Traherne, who began manufacturing water pumps in 1857. That was 165 years ago. A lot has changed in the last 165 years. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, Thomas Edison the light bulb, and Henry Ford developed the moving assembly line for mass production of the automobile. All of these things influenced the direction the world took and answered a distinct need that people had to make their lives easier. In the same token, the need to move fluids, the thickest, most difficult to move fluids, also existed, and Roper Pump Company has been there to answer the call.
We had a call for the Coast Guard, and they needed a pump the next day because a ship was out of commission. So we flew a pump to Seattle to get on a ship the next day so that that ship could get back out in the waters and protect the coast. So it matters.
Our primary goal is solving problems for customers. That's what we do. We move fluids and take difficult applications, difficult problems moving fluids out of the way for our customers so that they can focus on what's important to them, which is growing their businesses.
And you see some of the places where the pumps are being used in the applications, and knowing that you're solving problems, and those problems that you're solving are helping other people with getting product and putting food on the table and things like that.
Since its founding over 165 years ago, Roper Pump's mission and inspiration has been to exceed customer expectations through innovation and reliability. As a worldwide leading provider of fluid handling solutions, Roper has proved decade after decade that hard work, dedication, and persistence in forward thinking are the catalyst to help advance the position of Roper and move the world forward.
A lot of people see Roper and they know what it is. I know of a Roper pump that's still being used. It's been used for 60 years.
What gets me most excited about Roper Pump Company is the fact that we are as old as we are. In 165 years from now, we could look back and I'm basically a part of that history, and being able to shape the future of this company really gets me excited to come to work.
I mean, I'm proud to work here because of the way we're treated. If I was treated like I didn't matter, it wouldn't make you proud to work for someplace. Feeling like you belong somewhere they want you to belong makes you proud to be here.
Customers continue to come back for our product, right? It's reliable, it does what they need it to do, and then we have a great workforce whose job has been out there to make sure that they're producing that reliability every time and making sure that as the pumps come off the line, they're doing everything they can to make sure that they're going to stand up for the customer.
It's really the people at Roper that make Roper stand out. You'll always get somebody on the line when you call, and they're knowledgeable and helpful. That's what makes working with Roper so great.
I think the key word is relationship. We've had a relationship with Roper Pumps for over 40-something years. People have come and gone from Roper, but our core relationship still remains.
Customers rely on us. We make a product that's second to none. We are known as the Little Red Pump, and sometimes they'll literally say, I want a Roper, like they would say, I want a Kleenex. In our applications, we are a heavy-duty pump that works well, and it'll work well for 50 years. And that doesn't happen without all the people that we have, 100 people here at this plant, who are focused on, just high quality craftsmanship, design and craftsmanship, and that's what I'm proud of.
It hasn't always been easy, and certainly difficult days are yet to come. But one constant through it all is the work ethic of the Roper Pump family. The people of Roper Pump Company take pride in building the most reliable, time-tested products that have become a symbol of dependability and relied upon for generations to deliver the toughest of fluids in the most challenging applications. These pumps are created and hand-assembled in our Commerce, Georgia manufacturing plant. Since moving to Commerce in 1959, several million pumps have been assembled, and the hard-working men and women of Roper Pump Company are proud to say they played a part in helping get the job done.
I think the people make the company, and that's something I've seen through the years. The people that's been here carried on the tradition of the company to make a quality product and improvements to the product, and that's took place through the years, and they've handed it down to the people that they brought on board at that time.
Yeah, I started here 12 years ago. I've been in probably 4 to 5 different positions. The excitement of there's like room for growth,
promotion within, and I've been here for 12 years. So that has to account for something. So hopefully I'll be here 12 more years.
I've been here this long because it's a great place to work. It's been great for my family. I had met my wife here. She was working in those days in the computer room here. And she and I started dating. I married her 30 years ago. And then, of course, we had a son come along.
Well, I wouldn't want to work anywhere else. I love what I'm doing. I know we make a great product. I got friends here, and it's like family.
You know, Roper has been my family for 29 years. I've seen us, when times were really bad, step up and step out. You know, when Hurricane Katrina went through, Roper put tractor-trailer loads of product together from the people here and sent it a tractor-trailer load. And, you know, that's family.
As we continue to move forward in innovation and reliability, we'll also make it our mission to instill the values in the next generation that Roper Pumps has instilled in us. As we look back over the past 165 years and all we've built, we're filled with hope and excitement about what's to come at Roper Pump Company.